I'm a finance broker. I have to do lots of communication with my own clients as well. Time just runs so quickly. The builder team asked me about, oh, have you decided this part and that part? What do you think about this and that? And I realized, okay, I haven't done this yet. It's pretty hard to manage the things at the same time. But it's really important to have a good builder team, to have a reliable project manager. I would really appreciate our project manager, Dara, because throughout the process, he really understands my concerns, my anxiety. For the most enjoyable part of this renovation, I would say to restructure our living room here, because previously we don't have much daylight. Now you can see the sunlight. So I'm very glad that I have something I want here. It totally changed our life in this house. All depends on your builder team's, support and effort. You are the only builder I spoke to and brought you to the house. And I did browse a lot of other builders' projects, their websites, but finally, I made the choice to go ahead with you. Because my priority at that time was to complete the renovation, I think within 4 months, something like that, one of the projects you've done in Castle Hill, so it only took 3 months for you to complete that one. And it's a quite big house. If my friend, they want to have some advice to choose the right builder team, I would definitely recommend Panda Build, because you really understand what customer wants, what customer needs, and recommend the right products to us. So throughout the process, I would say, beyond my expectation.